He's got his coffee. Hot water. Well, at least now you know how to work it. You know, watching life from this little screen on the tablet is so much more interesting than actually being in the video. Ow! I just usually 3 or 4, I don't know. Enough. How about that? Dad just fills the whole thing. Takes the coffee and goes. Sorry, I didn't mean anything by that.